Hi everyone, this is Pratibha. This is a short testimony I would like to give it for Vaishali. Actually, I was in search of a business coach for a very long time. I was running into many life coaches who were relationship coach, parent coach, career coach, and many other coaches. But it was very hard to find a business coach for me. That was the time I found this Toshita platforms ad in Facebook. So I thought I just would give it a try. So that was the first session I had it with Vaishali. She was awesome. She was very crisp in her content. She was very confident in her content. She was very clear and to the point whatever she delivered. So in the very first session itself, I liked it and thought this she would be the correct mentor for me to take ahead my startup, since I don't have any knowledge about the business and I'm not from any business background. I was completely new to the business world, but I was passionate about running a creative work for myself. I wanted to create an identity for myself. Since I was very interested in handicraft items, and even she runs two platforms based on this handicrafts itself. I thought this was the right decision I made in my career, my total entire career. And so after attending the session, she offered an one-to-one session also. But as I'm mother of a 2-year-old kid, I was not able to adjust my timing for the one-to-one session, and she was so understanding and she was so flexible for my timing, and she altered so many timings for me, and we at last landed up in one-to-one session, which was really a great one-to-one session which I had till now. I had so many questions to be cleared, very silly questions to be cleared. As I was very new to this business, I had so many silly questions, and she was so patient and she was so clearly understanding my question and answered it to the point very clearly. I After that session, I was without any questions. Every question of mine was clear, and she is a person that she never told me that she'll get back to that question to me after some while. She had her answers for every questions. So I would highly recommend you should attend at least one session of hers, so that you will agree with all my points which I told you now. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best.